Today we'll talk about how can you reserve on your Travigo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Travigo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come to this list, and here you're looking for any room here you want to reserve. I'm going to click here to this room here, for example, like you see here. So you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and you go down, then here can you select your price from any of these platforms. I'm going you click here on so I go down here, for example this list, just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. So in here it's going to show for you to or to take you to reserve these ROMs here on your Travigo app. Just switching to open video here. So then here it's going to show for you like this. You go down, keep going down here, and here add to cart here. So or book for this price here, then it's going to reserve with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.